Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 16th, 2020, and this is our VeChain paired against Tether on the Binance Exchange price forecast update. We're giving you all the news headlines according to the price chart. And once you're able to distinguish what the trap is trying to do in these cryptocurrency markets, you're able to profit right along with him because he's leaving us breadcrumbs. He's leaving us evidence as to where he's trying to go. And if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share the video. And then follow us on all of our other social media platforms. We are definitely at those areas too. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, our own website. All those particular links are in the description of this video. And then on top of that, the content is freely available. So all you have to do is go to our website, sign up, log in, and you'll see all our other information there. Now, let's talk about VeChain and what the trap is trying to do into the market for this cryptocurrency. Now, September 6th was the last time we did our video for this currency, and we expected some weakness to go on into the market in VeChain. Has that really occurred? Are we still seeing weakness? How is the trap feeling so far into the market since that particular day? So let me zoom in and let's see the market on September the 6th. We played weakness. And the market the next following day on the 7th did go lower, no doubts. The market in VeChain, in fact, did go lower. TP 0.011 was tagged out the next day. But are we still seeing weakness into the market in VeChain? Emphatically, that answer is yes. The market in VeChain is still exhibiting weakness. So generally, we've held consolidational trading. And as you can tell, the market trap is about to embark on the trend that is currently in play in VeChain. Hence why we're still seeing some weakness go on today. Let's take a look at the market in VeChain on a weekly time frame real quick to see if there's any changes occurring there. You can see that the weakness that came through from the weeks of the August the 10th, the 17th, the 24th, and then on the 31st of August, it is still there. It's not gone. So don't let no one else tell you anything otherwise. The market in VeChain is still exhibiting to us weakness. And we're finally playing that out currently in the market in VeChain this week. So we got 4 days and 14 hours left for the trap to continue to work for us, for him to continue to show us what he's expecting to do. But right now, VeChain is weak on a weekly basis. Okay. Monthly time frame, again, it just crosses over. The monthly time frame is definitely giving us weakness here too. So where can the market ultimately find support? Well, we already established that at 1 penny. That's where we're at. That's where we're actually trying to find the trap hold some support ultimately on a monthly basis. Real quick look, you guys can see 4-hour chart. Weakness is still prevalent in the market for VeChain, but it's not weak. Not that weak. So let's just relax. The market is literally just in a very tight consolidation of range. It gives you the opportunity, gives me the opportunity to really see how the trap is feeling. Now, from a weekly basis, I'm here to tell you it's weak. But from an hourly to a daily basis, we can still see some gyrations and movements higher in price. So what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of the forecast that we had in the market for VeChain on the 6th. We're going to get rid of it now. Wherever we're at, we're going to take that off. So about 0.59% profitability to get rid of it and do a new forecast. Okay. So the market in VeChain is still weak, but not that weak. We're still showing, based off the price bars and the volume, that the market in VeChain is still weak. But concern really needs to play into the market and its weakness right here at 0.011. The market breaks that to the downside, then we understand fully that the market is definitely entrenched and cemented in weakness. So for those who are feeling bullish into the market in VeChain, at 0.01, you need to pay attention to it. So let's see if we were to play a high movement forecast into the market for VeChain. So for the market to break below that 1 cent area will be a 10% movement to the downside from where we're at right now. For us to break this descending line to go up to 0.014, it'll be about 15% from where we're at. But here, I see no reason as to why the trap is showing us strength right now. Given all the time from our last video in VeChain, we're still seeing instances that the weakness is definitely more apparent than the strength. So, just like we did on our last video, we're going to continue to go with the weakness in VeChain. Reasons being, because this downtrend is still in play, and over the last 3 or 4 days the market has been exhibiting to us weakness. But for those who are looking for the market in VeChain to go higher, pay attention to this 0.011. If we see strength and increased volume coming at that particular price level, then we understand that the trap is still trying to hold market and move it higher in price in the long term. But from everything that we've been establishing or seeing in the market, it still shows weakness. Okay, so we're going to continue to play some of this weakness into the market in VeChain. It hasn't been absorbed just yet. Until we see that change occur, we're going to play the weakness. So now it's your turn. What you see? What's your prediction? What's your forecast? Let's start the dialogue. Leave us a comment in the comment section and tell us your forecast into the market in VeChain. Where do you see it going over the next 5 or 6 trading days? Where do you think the market will be at? And give us your TP price. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will talk to you all on our next video.